Hi friends, it's Yana here today, and today I have such an exciting package to open with you. I cannot wait to get into it. I talked a little bit about it in my last video. Let's open it up together. Okay, this is a kit, a purse kit from Babylon Leather. I don't know if you've heard about it, but oh my word, they have the cutest purses that you can put together, bags, wallets. I was looking through their website and they just have so many cute things. I've been wanting to get into bag making and I've just been scared because I don't know what to buy. I don't know all the pieces and everything, and it's just kind of overwhelming. Well, this right here takes the guessing work out of constructing your own purse or your own bag because everything comes in here. And they also have a video tutorial that comes with the purse so that you can follow the tutorial if you get a little confused. All right, so let's get to this box. Now, first of all, I got a QR code to watch the tutorial on here, so you can go ahead and scan that QR code and get started right away. It's got all the different places that you can find Babylon Leather here and how to contact them. And if you have any issues or anything like that, they have great customer service. And it's got all about them. So here's a QR code sharing all the information about it. And I'll add a link to them on my information box below. I'll also add a link to a code that gets you 10% off. If you use my name, Deanna10, will give you a 10% off. So I'll add a link to that. And you can go check out all the different bags and the different things that they have, the different designs. They have some really, really cute ones. It was really hard for me to choose one, but I love them. Okay, so let's dive right in. Okay, so here's my kit. I also got some little gifts. I have this little polish pony pendant. I got, these are some tools to help me keep things level as I'm sewing, and then some free scarves, a free scarf, so I'm gonna put that aside. But I got some more of these little things, but I really wanna get into the main package here. Here's all the hardware, and the first thing I'm gonna tell you is as soon as I opened it, I smell the leather right away. That's the first thing I smell. I can smell the leather, which is a great thing. You love the smell of leather. And it's got all the little pieces in here. Okay, and the purse pieces. I'm definitely gonna have to look at the tutorial for everything, but what's really neat is that they have everything for you, so you can go ahead and get started right away, and you don't even need a sewing machine, because that's one thing I also worry about doing my own purses, is that I don't have a industrial type sewing machine. I just have an at-home sewing machine, and I'm like, a lot of leather, which is thicker, which this is. See it right there. I'm gonna show it to you. It's a little thicker. It's already got painted on the edges. Anyway, a lot of leather is too thick and it won't fit through my machine. So I was a little bit worried that I was not gonna be able to do it, but it has these pinholes here. They are precise pinholes that you can work through, and you don't need to use a sewing machine. You do it all by hand. So that's really cool. I thought that was amazing. Can't wait to get started and sew it up. All right, let me show you what's in this little bag. Okay, so in this little bag, we've got I don't know what you'd call it, rope. It's not really rope, but it's the thread, I guess. We've got your handles here. That's already put together, so that's great. We've got some actual thread. These are, I'm not sure what these are, but I'm sure it'll tell me what it is once I look at the tutorial. But here's the thread that I use. Here's all the hardware, the different types of hardware. These are, I assume, to put them to hold it together as I'm working on it. So it even gives you all that. It gives you this little screwdriver to put the screws on, and it gives you some snips, and I'm assuming to help you snip as you're working around with them. So this is really neat because it brings all this stuff together. And I think, yeah, it has this little, yeah, I'll show you here. I read some of the like different reviews and the different things, and somebody said that they send these little things for your fingers so that you don't hurt yourself. Anyway, and so I thought that was kind of neat. Oh my goodness, look at all these little buckles and all these little things. And I can't wait to show you. Here's the rivets and little rivet things. I know nothing about bag making. Now I've made a few bags myself, just easy, simple bags that I've done on my sewing machine, more like canvas bags or stuff like that. So this is gonna be my first time working with a leather bag. So I'm super excited about it. I'm gonna add a picture here of what this bag is gonna look like when it's all done. And I want you to come along next time. Oh my gosh, these are so cute. Come along next time as I show you my finished result. So I'm gonna be doing a little bit of a walkthrough on how it ended up and how it turned out and everything. And I'm gonna show you exactly what it looks like when I'm done. So this is super cute. I love it. And if you want to see more about what this is, if you want to see more about the progress and everything, I'm going to be doing a little video later on, but you can check out their website and you can look at all the options that they have. And the kit comes with, like I said, everything and a video tutorial, so you can even check out their tutorials if you get lost and if you're a little concerned about how it's going to go. So make sure you check that out. But that's all I got for y'all today. I cannot wait to dig into this. I'm so excited. Comment below and let me know what you think. And then also let me know which one would be your top pick out of all their bags. Which one would be your favorite to sew? I hope you have a great rest of your day. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't, and I'll see you all next time.